Subscribe! Like! Click!
Let's make an adorable pink Labubu squishy keychain. Hit the like button and teach your friends how to make one too. Let's go! Hehe, I pulled out my favorite notebook. I'll do a quick pencil sketch of Labubu. For the pencil sketch, just draw to establish the approximate size and shape. I'll draw Labubu for you with a black magic marker. Labubu will hold stars in its eyes. Look forward to Labubu's eyes holding sparkling stars. Today, I'm introducing Labubu's lovely pink color to my friends. Draw a cute heart nose. Now draw the big mouth and 9 teeth. Starting with the 2 front teeth centered on the nose, then spacing them out makes it easy to draw. Draw the hairline sharply and the facial contour smoothly. Go off. I'll draw sharp, pointed lines along the outer edge of the head to give it a full, fluffy furred texture. Labubu's ears look just like rabbit ears. After drawing the rabbit ears, just add some pointy fur on top. I'll also draw daisy flowers to decorate Labubu. Please erase the pencil lines cleanly with an eraser. Yeah! Let's have fun coloring. Yay! Hurry up! Paint Labubu's eyes wine-colored. I'll color the pink Labubu. What color is your friend's favorite Labubu? Leave a comment telling us which favorite Labubu you'd like Lime to make. Oh! Paint the entire base color in light pink. Hard to find Labubu. If you can't find one, wouldn't it be fun to make your own? Have your friends make their own Labubu too. Hehe. I'll draw lots of short strokes in pale purple. I'll apply many touches while changing directions to create a lush, furry texture. Add depth to the painting by creating shadow areas with gray color. I've prepared the wood glue. I'll hold the twinkling little star in Labubu's 2 eyes. Since it's hard to express the pointed fur details, I created a thick outline using chocolate brown. I've prepared one more sheet of paper. Cut the paper with scissors while keeping the 2 sheets stacked together. There are tons of hidden videos in the main content. Curious? What should I make next? Leave a comment below. Please apply transparent tape only to the areas where color has been applied. Please connect the paper that will form the side. Apply Scotch tape and make a slit with scissors. Labubu, shape the pictures in strips a little at a time as you stick them on. Folding the paper makes it easier to bend the creased part. Just connect the back side the same way. I left some space so you can put your finger in. I've gathered a handful of cotton balls. Now I'll fill it up with cotton balls. Stuff it full with cotton, then seal the hole with tape. I'll stuff some cotton into the decorative flowers too. I'll make a loop and attach it for you. Just make it the length you want. I put double-sided tape on the bottom side. Just attach the ring and it's done. Heart gunfire, take this! Yup! Let's play with the cute Labubu squishy. Yes!
Oops.
Wow, stress gone. Why not make some Labubu squishy friends you'll want to keep touching? They're so much fun. How did you like the paper Labubu squishy keyring? If you enjoyed it, please hit subscribe and like. Stay tuned for more fun craft videos next time. Hello, friends. We're going to meet Dada the exciting Macaron. Stay tuned to see what happens to Dada today. Let's go! What? Dada's coughing and he's wearing a mask. What's wrong with Dada? Let's take a look at Dada together. Let's take off the mask. Oh no! Dada must have caught a cold because he has a runny nose like this. Let's untie the nose. I need to check your temperature. I'll take your fever with a thermometer. Oh my god! Fever is high! I'll put a cold patch on your forehead to help you cool down. I need to take my medicine? I'll try feeding him porridge first. Here we go! One more time! Well done! It's time to take your medicine! Now that you've taken your medicine, let's drink some water. Now get some sleep, and when you wake up, you'll be fine. Don't worry, go to sleep. Dada is sleeping well. Let me check his temperature one more time. Wow, it's perfect. It's time to wake up. Today I took care of sick Dada from exciting macarons. I want to make sure that my friends are not sick and that they are always healthy. Stay tuned for the next picture story.